We are going to create a sample flyer using only these two images. So this is my working space. I will import my first image here. Then I'll bring my second image. I'll scale that one to up like this. Then that one will be here. Let me place it here. So now what I'm going to do now is to arrange the image in a way that fits the design. So I think this one will be here like this. Then I'll select both images, then I'll position them like this. So I think this is okay for me. So let's start with the caption. So for the caption, I'm going to write something simple using shapes. So I'm going to use a rectangle, then I'll create something like this. Then I'll change the color to something like this, just because of the month of October. Then I'll place it here. Then I'll type my caption October. I'll scale it up. Then I'll bring it here. But I want to divide the text so that it will be able to be bigger, so that I'll be able to scale it up. So October like this. Then I'll scale it up. Position it here. So now let me bring my rulers to see if what I'm doing is right. Okay, so I think they fall within the range. So but I'll need to push this one here a bit like this. October. Yeah, so I'm going to write something here. Let me change the color for us to see what I just typed. I'll bring this one. So what I'm doing is I'm arranging my text. Then I'll change. I don't want the caption to be bold like that. So I'll select my text, then I'll go to the properties. So I have to highlight everything before. Then I'll change it from bold to medium. I think there's error here. Let me zoom up. Then I'll scale it up a bit, then I'll put it here. So I'm going to create another shape like this. But this time around, I'm going to make it a round edge. Then I'm going to change the color to something like this, but then a really darker one. Like this. I think it is too dark. Okay, then I'll create a circle shape. But this is going to be a different color. Let me try green, then see. That is not going well for me. I think this one is okay. So I'm going to copy this text. I'll bring it up, double click inside it, then type this sign. change the color to white. Then I'll bring it here. I will rotate it a bit, and I'll place it in here. Reduce the size. Let me try a gray color to see. Yeah, I think this one works perfect. Then I'll put one caption here, then I'll write notice. Change the color to white and see. I'll change the font to bold. Like this. So I think I'm almost done, so I need to do something to the background, and I think that'll be all. So for the background, I'm going to do with something simple. So let me check my background gallery and see. Let me try this one. I will make it a bit blur. Then I'll play with the levels adjustment. The levels adjustment. Yeah, like this. Then I'll add one 3D loot to it. So the third one is my favorite. Let me see. Is the third one? This one rather. Yeah. So now I'm almost done. So let me convert everything into a smart object with my Control, Shift, Alt, and then E. So now I can head over to my camera raw to do my adjustment. So in my adjustment, I'll try my auto and see what I'll get. No, it's too bad. So I have to do everything myself. Before and after. Okay. So this is just a simple design. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. See you next time.